here if you don't know me. If you do know me, hey boo, welcome back to the channel. So kindly subscribe if you haven't, like this video and leave a comment. Today's video, I'll be bringing you guys a weekly vlog, everything I did last week, and I really hope you guys enjoy the video. But before we get into today's video, quick story. So I was editing the video and I realized I didn't have an intro for it, so I'm now making an intro. So if you see me doing anything with this bonnet later in the video, kindly, please. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Hi guys, so I know I have not really spoken to you guys since I started this vlog. It's because I wanted you guys to enjoy me doing the things instead of me coming to tell you I'm going to do the things. I don't know if you get it, but it's a new vlog of what did I just it's a new vlog style I'm trying out. I'm currently going to my school's gate to go and take a package from Pentoa. I don't know how long that is going to take, but I'll get back to you guys, or I will take you guys along. So let's get into it, okay? All I'm saying. So I got my package. I'm currently going to my hall to go and check for some things. I left some things in my wardrobe, so I want to go and check if they are there, because the sandwich students are on campus and I'm currently at a different place, so I want to make sure everything is okay. But I got my, so when I get there we'll talk, okay? I just finished unboxing my package from Pentua, and I'm wearing the bonnet I got today. As you can see, it's large enough. My braids are all inside, and this is not coming off, guys. See, it's tight, but it's not too tight to the extent that my head will ache or something. And these are the scrunchies, guys. These are the beautiful scrunchies. And this is the first one that came with my other bonnet. This is the other bonnet. I get all my bonnets and scrunchies from Pentua. As you can see, I have a lot, and she gave me a plastic bag to be keeping my bonnet and scrunchies inside. Sorry, I don't know what's with my throat. So I just came back from getting the package. I'm listening to music and I'm coming to chill, watch a movie, take my shower. And I also got some things from the supermarket. I got shaving sticks. I've not used this one before. A girl has to be neat. And then I got Gary. Yeah, so that's all I got for today. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We'll speak in the morning or when I'm doing something. I love you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I want to show you guys how I'll be packing my scrunchies. Give me a minute. So this is the Ziploc bag that she kept the scrunchies and the bonnet inside. So I'm going to fold the first bonnet and keep it under it, because since I have this one, I don't think I'll be using this one till like this one, the black one, is dirty. This is it. I have my bonnet and my scrunchies, and you know, I'm done. So if you've not seen me wear the other bonnet before, I would insert a picture like on the screen somewhere so that you guys can check it out. And you can also follow Pentua, her business page at All Things Pentua. Hey, that's her YouTube channel. You can follow her business page on Instagram at handmade_by_Pentua, and then you can subscribe to her YouTube channel at All Things Pentua. That's what I meant to say. So Pentua, thank you very much for my package. I received it in one piece. Nothing was wrong with it, and I love my bonnet. And I'll see y'all later. Mwah. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just got here. I'll go and get something to drink, and then I'll come and create content, probably do some TikToks and everything. Then we'll go through the day, okay? Okay guys, so this is where I would like to end the video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet, and then like this video and leave a comment down below. I would reply all your comments. So see you guys in another vlog. I hope you really like this. I love you. Bye.